Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be looking at a quick container arrangement with some shade-loving plants. So for this I'm taking a container that has a broken edge, which is fine because over time the plants will cover it up. The plants that I will be using will be the Dracaena that I had propagated a while ago, some Chlorophytum laxum by Chettii or otherwise called the Dwarf spider plant. Then we have the turtle vine, the Alternanthera cuttings, and finally the string of pearls. So the thriller will be my Dracaena, the fillers will be the Chlorophytum laxum as well as the Alternanthera, the spillers will be the turtle vine and the string of pearls. First, I will be adding some broken tile pots at the bottom for drainage. The potting mix comprises of 40% sand, 30% compost and 30% coco peat. Now add the potting mix up to a level. And now let the magic begin. So this is how the plant arrangement looks now. I had started working on this arrangement 2 months ago and I decided once the container is brimming with plants, that is when I will show you the final look. I honestly don't believe in instant gratification, especially when it comes to plant arrangements. I believe that giving your plant projects the time to grow over time will give you the best results. So you can see how the turtle vine has taken over the container. The Alternanthera has rooted so well that I had to trim it a little. The string of pearls is struggling though to keep up with the vigor of the turtle vine. The Chlorophytum laxum is also keeping its head held high in this colorful container. However, there was a small mishap with the Dracaena, which was hammered in by a heavy gush of water running down the shed roof, and that has left some of its leaves broken and battered. Nonetheless, the plant will get back to normal very soon. So here are 4 important tips for a good container arrangement. Use complementing plants. So here I've only used shade-loving plants that need similar sunlight and watering conditions. Make sure the potting mix is well draining. Add compost to fertilize the plants equally. And last but not the least, give your plants the time to grow. So folks, with this we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore, and I hope you liked this plant arrangement. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.